Are you experiencing low energy after meals, bloating, indigestion, or even gas? You should consider our Digestion Protocol. It's designed to basically reduce inflammation, improve the digestive process, improve nutrient absorption, and help you feel good after you eat meals. We have what's called Forte, and this is designed to stimulate normal digestion. And then we have Zypan, which helps to improve normal stomach acid levels and give you specific enzymes to break your food down. Then we have Multizyme that nutritionally supports the pancreas and helps with the breakdown of food. And then we also have our Gut Restore, which will replenish those good healthy probiotics. And then we have Turmeric Power, which will reduce the inflammation in the stomach and the intestinal tract to help you feel better after you eat your meals. If you would like to digest better, have more energy after you eat, consider the Digestion Protocol.